Hi, Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, we're going to be doing a fresh vegetable and wild rice omelet. First up, we're going to saute our vegetables. So we're going to add some oil. We'll add some wild rice, some bell pepper, some yellow squash, some red onion, and some garlic. I'm going to stir this occasionally. We're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. I'm going to add a dash of salt and a dash of pepper. Now I'm going to remove these veggies to a separate bowl. Now I'm going to wipe out the pan really well. I'm going to pan spray the pan really well. I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs. And then once the eggs have established a nice base, I'm going to swirl the liquid to the outsides. And now that the egg is pretty much set and the liquid's cooked, I'm going to add my veggies to 1/2 of the side of it. And now I'm going to slide the omelet out, and I'm going to catch it halfway through here, and I'm going to flip over the top. And then for a nice garnish, this is optional, I'm going to take some shredded cheese and put it right on top. Always remember that people eat with their eyes, so the bigger pan that you use, you can actually make a 2-egg omelet appear to be larger. If you use a small plate or a pan, it appears to be smaller, and then they might not think they got enough to eat. So it's always important to use a larger pan to do your eggs. So to recap on today's recipe, I used 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of wild rice that was cooked, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper that was diced, 1/4 cup of yellow squash that was diced, 2 tablespoons of onion diced, 2 teaspoons of garlic that was finely chopped, a dash of salt, a dash of pepper, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. I preheated a nonstick skillet over medium heat. I added the oil, bell pepper, squash, onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. I cooked for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. I removed the veggies from the pan, wiped out the pan really well. I sprayed the pan really well with cooking spray. I added back the eggs. I cooked until the eggs are no longer runny. I added the vegetables back to one side of the omelet, of the eggs. Removed it to a serving platter, folded one side of the egg over onto the other, creating a half moon, and then I topped with shredded cheese for a garnish. Really easy to do, really recipe, and I hope you enjoy this one at home. This recipe allows you to use up traditional ingredients like wild rice, and also if you'd like to add a healthy breakfast meat, do that. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.